In this video I'm going to be running through installing Fusion for the first time, FusionFX. Fairly straightforward procedure. We place the DVD into our DVD drive and we are presented with the auto play button. We select the run Fusion installer.exe. First screen that we're presented with is a license agreement. It's advisable to read through this thoroughly. The install option is grayed out until we select the I agree to license terms and conditions. Clicking install will initiate the installation process. You might be presented from user account control. If you want to continue, just click yes. The following installation procedure will take a couple of minutes depending on your machine. You just need to be patient and wait for the various prompt screens to display. I'm going to be fast forwarding through this tutorial, skipping to each step. We're now presented with the welcome screen. All we need to do is select next, and we're presented with an option prompting us to ensure our dongle is inserted. Click OK. In the next phase we have another license agreement that we would need to read through. We do have an option to print this license agreement so that we can go through at a later period. Select the I accept the terms and conditions, and the next button will be available to select. Clicking this will take us to our next screen where we enter in the user information. That would be your name, and you can also enter in your company name. You will need to have a value in these two fields in order to continue with the installation procedure. Enter this in and click next. For the database installation, we will set up a server and client install. We need to be creating a new database as this is a brand new installation. We won't change any of the default locations, just continue to click next through the whole procedure, and this will initiate the installation. Fusion application will now be installed. This process will take some time. I'm going to be speeding up through this onto the next phase of the installation. This will also install a few other prerequisite items that are required in order to run the Fusion application. You might be presented with a dialog that says no dongle is unable to start application. Just click OK and then click finish to finish that portion of the installation process. Fusion will be installed, and you'll notice that the Fusion icon will appear on the desktop along with some training materials. There are some other elements that still need to be installed, and these will continue in the background. So you'll need to wait for the Fusion progress bar to complete and for the close button to become available. Click the close button and the installation is complete. To launch the program, double click on the FusionFX logo. You'll be presented with a login screen. The default details for the login are admin as username and password is admin2, all small caps. Click OK. This will synchronize the database with the catalogs, and we just need to wait for the program to open and you'll begin to start designing in FusionFX.